Welcome to Edmonds Community College. In this tutorial, I will show you how to manage your EdMail account. This tutorial is for newly registered students who are trying to access their EdMail account for the first time, as well as current or returning students who are experiencing issues accessing their account. Please note that Edmonds Community College is a Google campus, and this means that your EdMail account will be the same as a Gmail account. With that said, let's begin. First, open a new internet browser window and proceed to edcc.edu. At the top of the page, click on the tab labeled Students. Next, click on the button labeled Check EdMail. You'll be brought to the page titled EdMail. Click on the button labeled Manage EdMail. A new page will open. Here, you will be entering your EdCC SID and student PIN. Your student identification number, also called SID, will be entered in the first box. Be sure not to include any spaces or dashes. You'll be entering only the numbers. The next box will have you enter your student PIN. By default, it will be your birth date in 6-digit form. The order in which you will type it will be month, day, and the last 2 digits of your birth year. Again, enter only the numbers and be sure not to include any spaces or dashes as you type this in. If you do not recall your EdCC SID or student PIN, please contact Enrollment Services to obtain this information. More contact information will be provided at the end of the video. After you enter your information, click on Login. If successful, you will be brought to the next page, which will present you your EdMail account. Please take note of your EdMail account for future reference. On this same page, you will be presented with 3 options. We will start with changing your password. Click on the button labeled Set or Change Your Password. When creating a new password, be sure that it meets these requirements. Passwords must be at least 8 characters long and must contain at least 3 of the 4 following character types: English uppercase letters, English lowercase letters, Westernized Arabic numerals, or special characters and symbols. You will enter your new password in the first box labeled New Password and enter it again in the box labeled Re-enter Password. Once you have done this, click on the button labeled Set or Change Password. If successful, you will be brought to the first page with a message stating Password Changed. The other tool for managing your EdMail account is changing your EdMail address. Changing your EdMail address is optional, and if you do decide to change it, any messages that were sent to your old EdMail address will be forwarded to your new one. To begin, click on the button labeled Change Your EdMail Address. The next page will display your current EdMail address and give you the option to change the last 4 digits. Once you have entered the new 4 digits for your account, click on the button labeled Change Address. You will be brought back to the first page with a message stating User ID Changed. Now that you have set your password, you are now ready to access your EdMail account. Click on the button labeled Use EdMail, and you will be brought to the EdMail login page. Enter your EdMail address and click on Next. After that, enter the new password you created. Click on Next, and you will be successfully logged into your EdMail account. If you have forgotten your EdCC SID or PIN, please contact Enrollment Services. Still experiencing issues? Call the START office at 425-640-1101 and we'll be happy to assist you. You can also visit the START office in Linwood 305 for drop-in support. Thanks for watching.